DHFL Pramarika Life Insurance launched the second edition of Behtar India campaign. Behtar India is a social innovation that rallies to get different segments of the society together to work towards making their cities cleaner, greener and healthier. Renowned film actress and campaign ambassador Pariniti Chopra spoke about better health, hygiene and recycling as she spoke about a Behtar India. Singer Shan and renowned television anchor Arnab Goswami were also present at the launch event. So let's visit the event and hear what all happened there.
I think for me personally, the most important thing is I've come from a very, very balanced and healthy childhood. My parents gave me a lovely, lovely childhood, and even though we lived in Ambala, which was a very, very small town, somehow within my home, I never felt any kind of issues, you know. And so today when I'm in a position where I can connect with so many people worldwide, I feel I have to use it to my advantage, and I have to speak to people about things that genuinely matter to me. So things like cleanliness, environment, women empowerment, equality, education, everything that matters to me and was given to me so easily, I have to inculcate those thoughts and that ease in today's children's and hopefully adults if I can influence them. I never get associated with any campaign, brand, any initiative if I don't believe in it myself, because I can't read from a list of answers, I can't learn answers. So whenever I'm on stage, I have to speak from personal experiences and it has to be the truth. That's the way I function. So I actually have 2 waste paper baskets at home. There is hardly any plastic in my house. I mean, even a straw is not kept in my house. Plastic bags are not kept in my house. Everything is recycled. If there's any kind of tin cans, anything that it's all sent. So I actually have a full-on system in my house. You will see there is an organic or recyclable alternative to everything. It can be right from a spoon, a glass, a straw, to the paper bag, the shopping that we do, the wrapping that we do. Everything can be paper, everything can be natural. But we are just so used to the ease of plastic, etc., that we don't want to make an effort. We're like, it's fine, it's been going on for years, it'll go on in my lifetime. Yeah. You know, we'll deal with it later.
Or my future generations will
deal
with it.
My kids will do it, 30 years, somebody else will do it. So it's always some other person. But you cannot wait for some other person. You have to do it because we are the persons living on this planet. So all of us have to make that change.